What is it, baby? What did we get? Everything's packaged up pretty good. What do you think, Smokey? You like the new steps? Here's everything out of the packaging. You've got 4 of these plates, 4 of these guys, 4 of these, 2 cardboard kit bundles, 1 for each step. Got your tools. And you've got your instructions. There's the plastic that's left over. The longer one, and it goes in. Take the backing off. Start it right there. It's installed on both sides. I'm putting them on the smaller ones. See how it lines up? Got one mounting package for each side. I'll mount it on there. The way that these go, it's mounted on like that. The hardware included. Alright, I've had these ones on for a season. They're coming off. Right, here's all the pieces that are getting ready to go on right now. Right, down under this guy again. That's what it looks like when you're first setting it up. See that there? Anyhow, that's it. Look at this. Just like 2 bolts right here. Super simple, super simple. Alright, we're all done on this side. Take a quick look. Like a lot better. Alright, all installed. Took about 30 minutes. We'll give it a sip. I see it so darn dark.